Hello everyone, welcome to Hands on Math. Let us learn how to create 9 times table using our hands. So these are the positions of your fingers, and you must know that when I fold a finger, the number of fingers towards the left represent tens and the number of fingers towards the right represent units. Let us start. I want to know what is 1 times 9. So I close my finger at the position 1. I have no fingers towards the left which are open. So my tens part is 0. And towards the right I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 fingers open. That goes into units place. 1 times 9 is 9. Now let me check what is 4 times 9. I fold my finger, which is the position 4. There are 3 fingers open towards the left which go to tens position. And there are 6 fingers which are open towards the right which goes to units position. 4 times 9 is 36. Now let us check with 8 times 9. Close the finger which is at the position 8. I have 7 fingers open towards the left. 7 goes in tens position and 2 fingers open towards the right which is in units place. This makes 8 times 9 is 72. Now what about the remaining? You will fill them up. Now it's your turn. Get hands on and have fun.